In order to factor an equation, the first thing that has to happen is it must be equal to 0. So right now, it's not equal to 0. So before I can do anything else, I'm going to need to zero out this side. And the way I turn this side into a 0 is the inverse operation. So right now I've got a plus 6x. So to turn that into 0, I'm going to say minus 6x. And I'm going to do that on both sides of my equation. Now, 6x and 9x squared are not like terms, so I'm going to put it over here to the side so that I don't get confused and accidentally combine them. And when I bring them down, I've got negative 6x plus 9x squared equals 0. Now to factor, it needs to be in degree order, so I'm just going to rewrite it. 9x squared minus 6x equals 0. Now I can go ahead and factor this side of my equation. So to factor it, I'm going to use my area model. I'm going to put my 9x squared and my negative 6x, and I'm looking for the greatest common factor. So starting with my coefficients, I have a 9 and a 6. I know that 6 does not go evenly into 9, so I'm going to go down to the next factor, which would be 3, which does go evenly into both. So I've got a 3. And my leading number of 9 is positive, so my 3 is positive. And then I've got x squared in one of the boxes and x in the other, so I can take out an x. And then I'm going to divide to get my top numbers. So I've got 9x squared divided by 3x. Leaves me with 3x, and I've got negative 6x divided by 3x, leaves me with negative 2. So my answer is 3x, parentheses, 3x minus 2.